Small drill machines have become incredibly useful for everything from detailed crafting to quick household repairs. Some focus on precision, while others bring surprising power in a compact package. After comparing performance, ease of use, portability, and overall value, here are 5 mini drill machines that stand out from the crowd. Starting the list at number 5 is the JANGKLIFE Cordless Drill, a compact rotary tool built for users who value precision more than raw power. The first thing that stands out is how small and comfortable it feels in the hand. At only 15 centimeters long, it handles more like a pen than a traditional drill, which makes detailed work noticeably easier. During delicate tasks such as jewelry making, wood carving, or glass etching, that compact design becomes a real advantage. It allows better control and reduces hand fatigue, especially when working on intricate patterns or fine details. The 3 speed settings provide useful flexibility. The lower speed is ideal for polishing and cleaning, while the higher settings give enough performance for engraving and light drilling. The rechargeable battery is another practical feature. Charging through a standard USB connection means you can power it from a laptop, power bank, or phone charger without carrying special adapters. The 90-minute runtime is respectable for a tool in this category and generally enough for most hobby projects. The included collet sizes expand compatibility with various accessories, making the tool more versatile than its compact appearance suggests. Switching between attachments is quick and straightforward, helping maintain workflow during projects. Its biggest limitation is that it is not designed for demanding drilling jobs or heavy materials. This is a precision tool first and foremost. For crafters, artists, and hobbyists who prioritize control and portability, the JANGKLIFE Cordless Drill is a smart and affordable purchase. Taking the 4th spot is the JANGKLIFE Mini Drill, a tool that builds on the strengths of the previous model while offering a little more versatility for general do-it-yourself work. It remains compact and lightweight, but feels slightly more capable when tackling a wider variety of tasks. One of the features I appreciate most is the cordless design combined with USB Type-C charging. It keeps the setup simple and modern, and it is easy to recharge whether you are working in a workshop, garage, or even away from home. The battery life is solid, delivering enough runtime to complete several small projects before needing another charge. Performance is where this model begins to separate itself. The adjustable speed settings make it adaptable for sanding, polishing, cutting, carving, and drilling. Instead of feeling limited to one specific purpose, it acts more like a miniature workshop tool that can switch roles depending on the accessory attached. Its lightweight construction makes extended use comfortable. Whether shaping wood, polishing metal, or engraving decorative pieces, the drill remains easy to control. The battery indicator is also a welcome addition because it eliminates the guesswork that often comes with cordless tools. While it handles many tasks effectively, professionals working with tougher materials may still want something with greater power output. This tool is best suited for hobbyists and home users who need flexibility without carrying around a larger machine. For anyone seeking a portable rotary tool that balances convenience, usability, and versatility, the JANGKLIFE Mini Drill earns an easy recommendation. At number 3, the Thium Pro takes a different approach from the previous entries. Rather than focusing mainly on crafting and engraving, this tool is designed to bridge the gap between a mini drill and an electric screwdriver, making it one of the most practical options on the list. The biggest strength here is versatility. Whether assembling furniture, repairing electronics, tightening hardware, or handling light drilling jobs, the Thium Pro adapts well. The combination of automatic and manual operation adds flexibility that many compact tools simply do not offer. For delicate work, the powered mode provides convenience, while manual mode gives extra control when precision matters. The ergonomic handle contributes to a comfortable user experience. Even during extended repair sessions, the tool feels balanced and easy to manage. The forward and reverse controls are responsive, making repetitive fastening tasks much quicker than using a traditional screwdriver. Torque performance is surprisingly capable for a compact device. It has enough strength to handle most everyday repair and assembly jobs without feeling underpowered. The adjustable torque settings also help protect smaller screws and sensitive materials from damage, which is especially useful when working with electronics. Battery performance is dependable, and the included accessories add immediate value right out of the box. Instead of requiring extra purchases, users can begin tackling various projects immediately. Its drilling capabilities are not as extensive as some dedicated rotary tools, but that is not really its purpose. For people who frequently perform repairs, maintenance, and assembly work, the Thium Pro is a highly practical tool and an excellent buy. Claiming the runner-up position is the Tungfull mini drill, a compact rotary tool that delivers an impressive balance of power, precision, and portability. This is the point in the ranking where performance starts feeling much closer to larger workshop tools despite the compact size. The 35-watt motor provides noticeably stronger performance than many entry-level mini drills. Whether carving wood, polishing surfaces, cleaning metal components, or performing detailed engraving work, the tool feels confident and capable. The higher speed setting especially makes a difference when working on tougher materials that require extra cutting efficiency. Its pen-style design deserves special recognition. Long crafting sessions can quickly become uncomfortable with bulky tools, but the Tungfull remains easy to hold and maneuver. The lightweight body helps maintain precision during detailed projects while reducing strain on the hand. The redesigned chuck system is another standout feature. Supporting a broad range of accessories makes the tool suitable for users who enjoy experimenting with different project types. Switching bits feels secure and reliable, which contributes to overall confidence during operation. The universal USB charging system adds convenience for mobile users. Being able to recharge from a laptop, power bank, or standard charger means the tool is ready almost anywhere. There are more powerful professional options available, but they usually cost considerably more and sacrifice portability. The Tungfull strikes a very appealing middle ground between performance and convenience. For hobbyists, makers, and serious do-it-yourself enthusiasts who want a versatile rotary tool with impressive capability, the Tungfull mini drill is an easy recommendation and a strong contender for the top spot. Taking first place is the WORX WX242, and it earns the top position by delivering the most complete user experience in this comparison. Rather than focusing on a single specialty, it combines power, control, safety, and convenience into a package that feels polished and thoughtfully designed. The standout feature is the 7-level torque adjustment system. This gives users much greater control over fastening tasks, allowing the tool to handle everything from delicate electronics to furniture assembly without excessive force. The ability to fine-tune power makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. Performance is smooth and consistent. The motor provides enough speed for efficient operation, while the torque memory function helps maintain predictable results across repeated tasks. Small details like this contribute to a more professional experience overall. Comfort is another major advantage. Despite its capabilities, the tool remains lightweight and easy to handle. Long sessions of assembly or repair work feel less tiring, and the compact size allows access to tighter spaces where larger drills struggle. The safety-focused design also deserves praise. Features that prevent accidental activation add peace of mind, especially when carrying the tool in a toolbox or storage bag. The combination of manual and automatic operation further expands versatility, giving users additional control whenever needed. The included set of 30 bits significantly increases value. Instead of purchasing extra accessories, users receive a complete solution for a wide range of tasks right from the start. For homeowners, hobbyists, repair enthusiasts, and even many professionals, the WORX WX242 offers the strongest combination of usability, performance, and value. That is why it takes the #1 spot. Those are our top 5 mini drill machines, from compact rotary tools to versatile electric screwdrivers. Each one offers something different depending on your needs and projects. Which model would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.